Hello dear Queen, I am Anja from Arwendayle and today we are going to do an unboxing. Today I have from our partner Envy Wigs a beautiful crown, and her name is Charlotte, in the color Sparkling Champagne. Enjoy! All right, let's take a look at the cap construction first. She has a partial monofilament with a predetermined center part. So if you're like me and you part your hair in the center, this one is immediately a winner. She also has an extended lace front from ear tab to ear tab. She has a machine wefted cap, an extended nape, and Velcro adjusters. All right, let's put on. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love her already. Oh, good choice, Anja, good choice. So let me just adjust her properly here. First things first, the size is perfect for me. I seem to be really totally average because most crowns fit me like a glove. I have no complaints. This one fits me like almost like a hand-tied cap. I have no air pockets. She fits perfectly. She just hugs my head and fits me like a glove. She is no face flopper. And of course, I love the center part. Let's take a look at the lace front here. Very nicely done. Very nice. Oh. And I love that color. Sparkling Champagne is one of Envy's best-selling colors. She has a darker root and a warm golden blonde. Just a nice, warm, very flattering blonde. I'm a fan. I am a fan of Charlotte. Absolutely beautiful. This is not the first time that I had hers, and I didn't expect anything less from her, but still I am just delighted. Let's take a look at Sparkling Champagne outside. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing video of Charlotte in the color Sparkling Champagne by our partner Envy Wigs. I hope you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our unboxing videos, and I hope to catch you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.